Hi guys, this is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to give you a quick walkthrough on our Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. Up in the bow, you're going to see we have seating for about 3 up here. Cup holders on both sides. Stereo remote here. You can't really see it, but there is a 12 volt there for your cell phone. Spotlight up here in the front. Your windlass with control. Nice bow rail here so you can grab it. This is the crossover from Sea Ray, so you do have the cabin down below with the seating up in the front. Working our way back. You can see our nice arch here. This boat does actually have isinglass enclosure. And with the big hardtop, what's nice about this is that it opens up so you can get some natural light in the boat. Locks like so. Again, plenty of natural light coming in and out of the boat. Back on our swim platform here. That's where our shore power cords are going to go. Also, nice big spot here for your lines, your fenders. Again, with the tower, another nice feature is that it does have the sunshade. So this shade will come all the way out, give you plenty of coverage back here so the sun's not burning you up too much. All right, it'll continue to go out, and again, just give you a nice amount of shade back here. Big wraparound seating here in the cockpit. Ton of room. Spot for a table here. On our starboard side, we have kind of our wet bar area there. We have a sink. Nice spot for some storage there. And our fridge. Alright, again, Sea Ray put the batteries in a nice little spot here. So all of our switching is right here. Up at the helm, double wide companion chairs here. Again, they both have individual bolsters. Twin Simrad displays with all of our halo switching and our Fusion stereo remote. This boat does have the Axius propulsion system with the Mercruiser twin 8.2s, 6.2s, excuse me. All right, now we're going to go down. In the forward V, right now that is in the bed position, so you can, obviously sleep here with your TV up there in the front. But if you don't want, this can come up so it turns into a lounge area. Very, very big head compartment there. And we have another fridge in here. Microwave. We also have cockpit air because we do have the generator in this boat. Cabin air, excuse me. Moving back, we have 2 different options here. We can sleep 2 like such, or this slides out and these cushions right there will go in place so we can have, a very large sleeping area down here. Alright guys, again, my name is Peter Soma with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this or any other boat, feel free to come in or